So in London in like the 1930s, there was this rascal called Eddie Chapman, and he was like the coolest spy in British history. But he used to be super into robbing banks. So one day he's off there doing that, and he gets caught and sent to jail. And so he escapes, well, he skips bail, and runs off to Jersey where he's arrested again. And he's just chilling there, doing his time and everything, until Jersey gets invaded by the friggin' Nazis. Not wanting to hang around, Eddie got writing a letter offering his services as a spy, which, considering their spies kept dying, they were more than happy to accept. So after some training, Eddie was sent to go blow up a plane factory. And we've got to stop here and talk about the importance of this. Britain made cheaper planes that were easier and quicker to manufacture. More planes gave you more air superiority and protection from an invasion. So Eddie lands in England, and he's got all these badass supplies and cash and all that crap. And the dude just immediately wanders into a police station and is like, "Yo, I'm a spy for the Nazis, you should probably arrest me or something." And at this point everyone's like, "Whoa." So James Bond or whoever was there is like, "Yeah, we're cool with you telling us this, but can you please not blow up that plane factory?" But they wanted the Nazis to think Eddie was great. So they made him a double agent and paid him double what the Nazis did. Then they went to go see a magician. And ask him what they should do. And he's all like, "Guys, you know magic doesn't actually work, right? No, seriously, this is cool. I got you. I got you." So the magician gets to work making this factory vanish with his big green sheet. He essentially makes a duvet fort for this factory. And the Nazis, just to make sure Eddie wasn't up to one of his zany pranks, they flew a plane just where they thought the factory was. But the magician used all his arts and crafts magic to make a fake factory out of cardboard, just so if it was flown over, it would look like Eddie had done his job. And then Eddie just goes back to his flat in London and radios the Nazis and is like, "Yo guys, I blew up the factory." And they're all like, "Sweet Eddie, well done, here's 20k, and you can have an Iron Cross too," which is the highest medal you can get in Germany. And that's how some cardboard and a magician got a British double agent the Iron Cross.